Expeditionary medical facilities are planned with what's available: whiteboards, spreadsheets, and slide decks. There's no way to stress test that design before deployment, no way to know where it breaks until casualties are already flowing. The ExMed Digital Twin is a powerful replica of an expeditionary medical facility, and it can transform this planning process, design, simulate, find points of failure, and optimize, all before the deployment begins. Here is a Role 2E EMU deployed ashore at Kadena, Okinawa. Its setup features 2 ORs, a 10-bed ICU, a 23-bed ward, and over 100 medical personnel to support a Marine force. Before the simulation runs, the planner configures the facility. The editor shows the physical layout at real scale: 9 base X tents, each with functional zones for operating rooms, ICU, ward, triage, pharmacy, and lab. Shelters can be dragged to rearrange the footprint, with the grid showing distances in meters. Flow paths define how patients route through the facility: red for immediate surgical cases, yellow for delayed, green for minimal. With the facility configured, the simulation runs a 72-hour exercise. Casualties arrive based on the scenario: steady flow punctuated by mass casualty events. Every patient is tracked individually. Triage classification determines routing. T1 immediate cases go to the OR. T2 delayed patients hold in the ward until surgical capacity opens. When the OR is full, patients queue. When ICU beds are occupied, post-surgical patients back up. The status table shows zone occupancy, supply burn rates, blood, surgical consumables, pharmaceuticals, oxygen, and staff fatigue by specialty. The simulation surfaces bottlenecks. The OR queue is building because one anesthesia provider constrains 2 surgical tables. That constraint is visible before deployment, with time to fix it. The ExMed Digital Twin includes an AI advisor that monitors the live simulation and provides real-time analysis. It sees patient flow, supply levels, staff fatigue, and surgical queues. Ask about capacity, burn rates, or staffing gaps. The advisor gives actionable answers grounded in current simulation data, a tireless staff officer watching the operational picture. The simulation advances in turns. After each resolution, DVR playback lets the planner scrub back through time, review what happened, where bottlenecks formed, when capacity was exceeded, save the state, branch, and test alternatives. What if we had one more surgeon? What if resupply is 12 hours late? What if we convert ward overflow to a second ICU? In the Indo-Pacific, distance is the adversary. The 90 in 90 standard demands precision that intuition alone cannot deliver. The ExMed Digital Twin gives planners a model to stress test and optimize before lives are on the line. Design and deploy with confidence with the ExMed Digital Twin and GamePlanOS.